That's some thunder. Some lightning in the state of Arizona. You know what that means? Explosive deals. Today is Friday. I'm back in town. I made a couple sales while you were gone. Sold the golf clubs, $100. Console table, that was $30. $150 for the big one. I'll take it. Now, time to look at some new sales, new inventory. What's the next flip? Lightning, let's get it. Little Buzz Lightyear action. Oh, yeah. $35 for a rocker. This one's in not great shape. Chairs, $35. Cheap, shitty plastic. All right, that was an interesting estate sale. Almost dropped $100 on Magic the Gathering cards. I offered $100 for, it was a bunch of packs of cards. I know absolutely nothing about Magic the Gathering. There were some red flags why I didn't go through with their full asking price of $150. Number one, there was a bunch of Magic the Gathering people that went to the estate sale at the beginning of the day and didn't buy them. That tells me one of two things. One, there wasn't valuable cards, or two, it just was asking, they were just asking way too much, which probably was the case because, I mean, there was a lot of cards. Now, granted, they all weren't in great condition. They were all used. I did my best to look up each individual pack, and the comps really were kind of all over the place, and there was some individual cards from the packs that were going for $60 to $70, but they weren't in the packs. In my opinion, wasn't worth the $100 investment. Could it have been? Possibly, but I walked away. And then the other stuff, obviously, in the house, like the patio furniture and the computer chairs for like $40, a rocker for $35. Way, way too high. So we tried. We're moving on to the next one. Good morning, y'all. It is July 17th, 2021. We're about to have another great garage sale day. But before we get out there, we're gonna do a little help for the community. That's right, we're giving back. We're gonna help pick up some trash at a local park as part of our Keep Tempe Beautiful initiative, a little nonprofit organization that myself and a business partner have been running. And let's pick up some trash before we make some cash. So maybe we're rewarded later with some juicy sales. We'll see. You selling patio furniture by chance? Nice house.
Thank you. So we got some free bar stools. I got the pads on the base and on the back.
Okay.
Keep them out of the sun. They're pretty thick.
Okay.
Tables need a spray. You need an army of 5 to carry because it's Italian marble.
Oh shit.
Yeah. it is.
That looks pretty.
Yeah, that was $10,000 just to.
Italian marble.
Yeah. So here's all this stuff here. And then in the front I got another like what looks like a two-seater, like the couch or whatever, same model. I think and everything.
Same as that.
Same as that, but it's 2-seater in the front.
Okay.
That's had a little bit of sun exposure, but most of it's just dirt because we live in Phoenix.
Yeah.
All of it, $2,500.
Gotcha. So you're looking to sell everything together?
It would be easier than trying to piecemeal it.
Yeah, I hear you.
I'm trying to move.
All right, so that garage sale, the dude, it was pretty much a house sale, and the guy had a bunch of seemingly valuable stuff, but he was a reseller himself, so he wanted top dollar for everything, which is fair. I mean, if you're gonna be selling your stuff yourself, why not try to to get top dollar. $2,500 for a patio set that was dusty and kind of a little bit tattered. Not necessarily worth my time. I gave him my info, and if he ends up needing to liquidate some items, he might contact me, but most likely he won't. On to the next one.
So are you okay?
Kind of just go to garage sales and see what I can buy.
Are you reselling?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Are you reselling?
Mm-hmm. So this and then not that, or?
That one.
Okay. And are you selling anything else
Golf set.
in the golf set?
Yeah, that's for ladies. Can you take it out for me?
Sure.
It's partially, you know?
Yeah.
But it's really clean golf set and
Yeah.
golf bag.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. How much would you want for the golf bags and the? Yep. Okay, I'll make you an offer. Yeah. I do have a truck, yes. The table's nice, but the chair is not so much.
So you just price me. And
Okay. Would you do $100 for the golf sets, and the couches?
And not what about the
I'll do the table too, but not the. I mean,
So you said a golf set and
the two golf sets and the.
golf set and that
Mhm.
400?
Mhm.
Okay, take it. But
Okay. The table? I might take the table itself, but not the chairs.
yeah, how
Yeah.
much?
I mean, I would just take.
Pay me.
Yeah, I would take it with the 100, but if not, no worries.
You pay $10 more, 110.
110. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah, I think I could do that.
Deal.
Okay.
I'm glad you came. You're gonna make her probably triple.
I hope so. Yeah.
Oh, you will.
That'd be great.
I will. I bet you will.
What's that table too? Is that any marble or anything?
Take that! Marble. Pretty table. It's a back front. This is expensive one. Look at the front. Beautiful back.
I'll
the
do
back.
a 120 for all of it.
Oh, even this?
Yeah.
Oh, can you pay more? When you look up front, you will see how pretty it is.
Okay.
That's a bed.
All right, I'm sweating balls. What's new? What a haul! What a haul that was. I mean, that one stop just made our whole weekend, man. I mean, we were striking out Friday and Saturday. Didn't really come across anything except I went way out to Gilbert to check out this sale. They listed a refrigerator, but it wasn't the refrigerator that I came home with. She was so far out and her signage was so poor that I was one of the only people that actually showed up to the garage sale. When I walked in, she had a bunch of stuff available. First and foremost, let's look at this couch and reading chair. I don't know what you would call that. And then this couch, primo condition, not a strand of pet hair, which is beautiful. There's nothing wrong with these. No stains anywhere. I can't find anything wrong with these things, so this is great news. Pillows in excellent condition too. She gave me some extra pillows. And then let's go over some of the other stuff that I got in the deal as well. So not pictured, but I got these blinds. They are pretty much just the blinds that you would put on your windows, and they are from IKEA, brand new in box. These retail for about $33 a piece. So, you know, I would sell these hopefully for like $100 total. That'd be sick. This TI 84 Plus Silver Edition. We all know this calculator. Come on, guys. You remember playing Snake on this biatch. I'm gonna sell this for, once I put batteries in it, anywhere between $40 and $50 on eBay. This is a step and repeat for a photo studio, if you will. It's a small step and repeat. I'm not sure what I would get for that. I'll post it for minimal dollars because I just want to kind of get rid of it. This right here is a dining room table. It's in excellent condition. I had to remove the legs because I learned that lesson before. You remove the legs if you can. I didn't take the chairs because the chairs were super out of style and in not good condition, so I figured I'll just sell the table by itself. I didn't even want the chairs taking up space in my inventory, so I left them. And then I also got this. This could be a patio table. This is heavy duty iron. This, I'm gonna try to sell for $100. We'll see what I can get for it, but it is a really, really nice table. I'll tell you that much. This table, hopefully get 150 for it. Probably not though, we'll see. I'll post it for 150. We'll see what I can get for it. And then finally, we got 2 golf sets, almost complete. There's no putters in either of these sets, but the golf bags themselves are really pretty solid. This is a Hanma golf bag, beautiful leather. And this golf bag pretty much could sell for $60. This golf bag is in a little worse for wear condition, but it probably could sell for around $60 as well because it's a name brand Callaway. And then for the clubs, we got some Biggest Bertha. We got Big Berthas over here. These two can probably sell together for around $50. This Cleveland launcher also sells for around $50. Iron's really not worth much. Then you got more Callaways over here, Big Berthas. Again, these are quality clubs. This is a women's set. But the kicker here, guys, is these irons. These are Hanma irons. I looked them up. They're LB606 irons, and this is women's clubs. I got 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. A 10 iron. I have never heard of a 10 iron before. Man, I wish there was a, wish it was a complete set because I would get more, but a complete set, well, including the sand wedge here, is going on eBay right now anywhere between $500 and $700 and up, my friends. And I got all of this stuff, every single thing you see behind me, for a grand total of $130. $130. I will get that alone, hopefully on these blinds. That'd be cool. This set right here, looking at $300, hopefully. You know, this table, at least 100, that's 400, around 5-ish, 500, and then between this, hopefully we can get a grand total of $1,000 from this flip. That would be great from a $130 purchase. So stay tuned. We'll see how fast we can flip these things. Right now, I'm going to get a little bit of water in my system because it is 120 degrees out. Tomorrow I will get to posting these items and we'll keep you updated. Going well. Thanks. You just came, all right, so made 120 on just the first set of clubs. That was incomplete. So we've got a lot left to sell and pretty much made my money back. Good things. What's up, guys? We're in our office this morning. It's been 2 days since we went garage sailing. Haven't sold a bunch yet, but I did sell the golf clubs, and I actually sold the calculator that I posted very quickly. And I just wanted to take this opportunity to show you guys my eBay setup. Here, I'll show you real quick. I have this Rollo printer and then just a grip of labels that are just chilling here. And I'll show you how easy this is. I order free shipping supplies on the USPS website. They came with a bunch of these and some other packing materials. And then all I have to do is, you see the person bought it for 52 bucks. I can just print a shipping label. It comes up in this 4x6 format that I already have set up. And then I just press print, and then bada bing, bada boom. It's easy as that. as Scooter's gonna help me here. But, you know, all you really need with this stuff is, this is just an old shopping bag. This is leftover shipping material from an Amazon purchase that I had. It doesn't need to be fancy. And, you know, you could use the bag. I'm just gonna use this. Just gonna roll it up real quick. Something fancy here. Just toss it in, make sure it's secure. Great. Maybe I'll just toss this in here as well. Take this off. And I'm gonna roll it closed here. Bam. And then I'm going to put the shipping label on. I'm just gonna go on my app, my USPS app, and tell them to come pick up this package from my mailbox. Boom, so that's how easy it is for me to just print and ship something. I gotta tell you, this Rollo printer, definitely worth the investment, I would say. It is super easy to just spit out labels for me. I don't even need the, there's like a label holder thing. I don't even bother with that. It works just fine. It's just money in my pocket. Right now, from the weekend sale, we invested $130. We already have about 170, it's gonna be 190 actually, after we sell this step and repeat later on today. And that's not even taking into account the great couch and chair, plus the really valuable golf clubs. So I'm hoping to break $1,000 in total sales. I think I will. Stay tuned for how those sales turn out over the next days, weeks, hopefully days. And thanks once again for tuning in. I'm Flipman Dan. Please like and subscribe, and give me a comment below as to what you want to see as far as footage is concerned. Right now we got a lot of content for you guys with flipping, making an uncommon profit. And thank you, have a great day. And as always, let's get it.